So, good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about the real numbers. In the real numbers, first of all, we'll start with the natural numbers. What is meant by a natural number? So, here they have given the definition: the set of counting numbers. The set of counting numbers, maybe number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, whatever it may be. The number which we'll use for counting, we will call it as counting numbers. Starting at 1, it means we have to start it from 1. So from 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinite numbers, we'll call it as natural numbers, including all positive whole numbers. All positive means it must be a positive number. It means the plus must be there before that number. It means plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, like that, infinite numbers. It may be up to thousands, lakhs, or crores together. This one we will call it as the natural numbers. A set of counting numbers starting at 1 and including all positive whole numbers is called as natural numbers. Or otherwise, you can say it simply: the set of counting numbers, we'll call it as natural numbers. So next, natural numbers are set of numbers. So next, after this definition, we'll go to the next one. What's given? Next slide. Okay, and second one. What is a whole number? A number without decimals or fractions are represented whole things without a pieces. It means a number. First, before telling it as a number, we'll start with a natural number including zero. We will call it as a whole number. It means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, on up to infinite numbers, including zero. We will call it as whole number. But we must not consider any decimals here. It means 1.5, 2.5, 2.3, or 4.6, whatever it may be. We must not consider these numbers. So we will call it as whole numbers. What is a whole number? A number without decimals or fraction part are represented whole things without a pieces. The set of whole numbers are represented by the word W. Okay. Set of natural numbers are represented as N. Next. What is an integer? Here you can see it. What is an integer? Set of whole numbers including zero and their opposites. Very simple one. Set of whole numbers and their zeros. Sorry, this includes zero and their opposite, we call it as integers. And integers and its opposites are the same distance from the zero on a number line. See here, you can see that one. 1, 2, 3, 4 is a natural number. Including zero, we will call it as whole number. Including zero, we'll call it as whole number. Opposite of the natural numbers, whatever it may be, -1, -2, -3, up to infinite number, we will call it as integers. It means integers contains both positive and negative, including zero. Here, zero is neither positive nor negative. Okay, zero is neither positive nor negative. Next, here we can see this one. Integer number line. Here are the negative integers, here positive integers are. Positive integers. 0 is neither positive nor negative. Here, look at here. From 1 to -1, equal distance is there from 0. From +2 to -2, 0, 1, 2. 2 gap is there. Here also we'll get 2 gap. Next, define rational number. Definition of rational number. Any number that can be made by dividing one integer by another. The word comes from ratio. Okay. Here, very simple one. We can tell it as any number which can be written in the form of a by b or p by q. We will call it as rational number. It means here we can write the integer -1, -2, +1, +2, whatever it may be. Here also we can write any number, but b must not be equal to 0. It means we must not write 0 in the denominator. Okay, we can't mention the 0 in the denominator. This one we will call it as the rational number. It means after dividing these two numbers, the answer may come in the decimal, whatever it may be, 1.1, 1.2, 3.4, whatever it may be. These are all called the rational numbers. Here, this means that the rational numbers include positive, negative, whole numbers, fractions, and decimals. Here, look at here. The answer may be positive or negative. Here also, while writing also, we can write it as negative or positive. Or we can write it in the form of fraction. A by B is in the form of fraction. Or in the decimal means after solving these two numbers, the answer may come in the ratio. This one we will call it as the decimal form. Okay, these are all the things in this rational numbers. Once again, I'll tell it. Any number that can be made by dividing one integer by another. The word comes from ratio. This means that rational number includes positive and negative number, whole number, fraction, and decimals. Here, one more example. Real numbers. Here, how many types of real numbers are there? Rational numbers and irrational numbers are there. Here, what is meant by rational number? All integers. It means positive and negative integers. Next, all finite decimals. All finite decimals means what? Decimal 3.25, 1 point. Here, see. 3.25, 1.153, all are decimals are there, finite decimals and all recurring decimals. Recurring means what? Repeating terms after decimal, 1, 1, 1, here 1, 2, 1, 2, same number is repeating twice, twice, twice. That one we call it as the rational numbers. But in irrational numbers, these type of recurring numbers we can't see. So if we find the value of a pi, we will get different numbers. After writing 3.14, we will get many numbers. Here, same numbers are not going to repeat like this, like a rational number. So this one pi is an irrational number. Next, five properties of rational number. In this one, commutative property, associative property, identity property, inverse property, distributive property. Out of five, only three we are going to learn this in this chapter. First of all, we'll come to number three, closure property. What is meant by closure property? A set of number, listen soon carefully, very carefully. See, a set of number is said to be closed if the number produced under the given operation are also elements of the set. What it means? Here, look at here. 5 plus 7 is in the left hand side, 12 is in the right hand side. Okay. 5 plus 7 is what? 12. Equal to, here what they are given? 12. It means LHS is equal to RHS. It means closure property under addition holds good. Closure property under addition holds good. Here 6 plus 0 is what? 6. Here what they are given? 6. So otherwise, here they have given 6 plus 0. Here I will write it as 7. It means it is not good. It is not proper. It is not proper. It does not holds. So what we can tell? Addition, closure property of addition holds good. So if we come to the multiplication, here what is there? Multiplication, what they will do? Same thing. If you take the example of these two numbers, 7 5 is 35. Here, if I write 35 means it's okay. We don't have any problem here. It means the multiplication property, the closure property of multiplication holds good. 6 into 0, 0. Here also we have to write it as 0. Therefore, closure property of multiplication holds good. Next, we'll come to the subtraction. What is there here? 5 minus 7 is equal to minus 2. So, here also if we subtract these two, we will get minus 2 itself. Here also they have given it as minus 2. Therefore, closure property of subtraction holds go. But in the division, it is not possible. Division, it is not possible. We will not get the same answer. We will get different. So, division property under, sorry, closure property under division does not holds good. Okay. This property will not holds good. Next, commutative property of addition or multiplication. So here, what is meant by commutative property? The number we have to write in the reverse order, two times. Here what they are given? See here what they are given? 5 plus 3 given. Here they are given 3 plus 5. It means if we add 5 to 3, we'll get the same answer as 8. Or if we add 3 to 5, we'll get the same answer as 8. Therefore, addition property, commutative property under addition holds good. Here what they are given? Instead of 5, they have written it as A. It means you can write any number. A and B are the variables. A plus B is equal to B plus A. Both are same. Okay. Next, odd or which number are multiplied does not change the product. Okay. Here what they given? What is the into sign represents? Sorry, dot represents multiplication sign. 2 into 4 is also same. 4 into 2 is also same. Therefore, commutative property under multiplication holds good. Commutatives, which is a physically changing place, they commute or substitute one for the others. Here, same example they have given. Green car plus brown car is equal to brown car plus green. Here we have the same thing. And here, commutative property does not hold good for subtraction and division. Why it will happen? See, first thing what we are doing, what we did in the last one, 8 minus 3 we have written, here we have written 3 minus 8. What will happen? 8 minus 3 is 5, 3 minus 8 is minus 5. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, subtraction property under commutative property under subtraction does not holds good. Here also same thing, division. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Same thing, 4 divided by 8 is 1 by 2. Therefore, commutative property under division does not holds good. Associative property. Associative property. The associative property allows you to group numbers differently and still get the same result. For example, in associative property, what we are going to take? We are going to take three terms, 9 plus 6 plus 4. Here also 9 plus 6 plus 4. But only what we are changing it here is bracket. Here, first two digit we have taken the bracket. Here, at the last two digit we have taken the brackets. What will happen? 9 plus 6 is what? 15. 15 plus 4 is what? 19. Here, 6 plus 4 is what? 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 9 is 19. 19 equal to 19. Therefore, addition property under associative property under addition holds good. Associative property of multiplication. Here, 6 nines are. 6 nines are what? 54. 54 into 4? 200 and... What's the answer? What is the answer? 6 nines are 54. 54 into 4? 216 is the answer. Here also 6 fours are 4 6 are 24. 24 into 9? 216. Therefore, associative property under multiplication holds good. Here also multiplications comes with this one. And the associative property does not work for subtraction or division. Here you can see 9 minus 6 is what? 3. 3 minus 4 is what? Minus 1. Here, first you have to solve the bracket. First 6 minus 4 is 2. 9 minus 2 is what? 7. Therefore, associative property of subtraction does not holds. Here, both LHS is not equal to RHS. Same thing as a division also. Division also does not holds good in this property because answer will come in a different manner. Okay, here also same thing, associative property they are given, does not holds good for subtraction and division. Here we have a definition. Here what they are given, very simple explanation they have given. When three or more numbers are added, any two or more can be grouped together and the sum will be still be same. What is this one? Addition holds good. Associative property under addition holds good. Associative property under subtraction does not holds good. Associative property under division does not holds good. Associative property under multiplication holds good. Okay. Go to the next one. Here is a very good definition. This one is a very good definition. You can write it in the notes. Okay, next one, identity property. First of all, what is meant by identity? Identity is a number, identity property of addition. What it means? It means if you add any number to one particular number, you must get the same particular number, whatever it may be. If you are adding 1 with any number, answer must be 1. What is it? Just simple one. What is it? 0. If you add 0 to any number, you will get the same number. 0 plus 1, 1. 0 plus 2, 2. 0 plus 3, 3. So 0 is the identity element of addition. Okay, identity number of addition. Same thing. 3 plus 0 is 3. 6 plus 0 is 6. 50 plus 0 is 50. Identity property of multiplication. What is this one? If you multiply any number with 1, you will get the same number. Therefore, 1 is called as the identity property of multiplication. Okay. Next, reciprocal of a number. Here, reciprocal means you have to write it in the reverse order. See, A by B is there. What you will write? B by A. If you multiply these two numbers or subtract these two numbers, you will get answer as 1. Okay. Here 3 is there. Reciprocal of 3 is 1 by 3. So if you multiply these two numbers, you will get what is the answer you are going to get? 1. Next. Here minus 3 is there. Into minus 1 by 3, what is the answer? Minus into minus plus. 3 into 1, 3. 3, 3 get cancelled and 1 is the answer. This one is the reciprocal of the number. So summary, counting natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are called as natural numbers, whole numbers including 0 and natural number we call it as whole numbers, integers. All the whole numbers, it means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and its negative numbers are called as integers. Rational numbers, already have learned that one, it is in the decimal form. Irrational numbers by real numbers, we have not learned it. In the next class we are going to